Hello comrades, in today's video we will be talking about BCAAs. BCAAs, or branched chain amino acids, are a very popular supplement in fitness communities. I wanted to bring you a bit of information to light today that will help you decide whether or not they will be appropriate for you as an individual. Let's get right into it. First, what are amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks for the various proteins that our bodies make. Whether they will ultimately be used to create bodily structures, enzymes, hormones, or other functions, amino acids are essential to our bodies. Depending on who you ask, there are 20 to 22 amino acids that our bodies use as building blocks. Of those 20 to 22 amino acids, there are 8 amino acids known as essential amino acids. This means that we must attain them through our diet. Using the 8 essential amino acids, our bodies can fill in the blanks and make the rest of the 20 to 22 amino acids that we use. So, what are BCAAs? BCAAs, or branched chain amino acids, include 3 of the 8 essential amino acids. They include leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These amino acids, particularly leucine, have been shown to have a greater effect on muscle protein synthesis than the other EAAs, or essential amino acids. Though research has shown that BCAAs may be effective at stimulating a muscle protein synthesis response, on their own, they are not as effective as a complete protein source containing all 8 essential amino acids. Supplementing with BCAAs may be beneficial to you if your diet does not provide you with adequate amounts of complete protein, you want a fast absorbing energy source during lengthy or intense training bouts, or if you are training fasted and you want a little bit of extra energy. Finally, they may be beneficial to you if you like drinking tasty, colorful water at the gym. Supplementing with BCAAs may not be necessary if you have a diet that is rich in complete protein sources, such as red meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, or even combinations of plant-based proteins, such as rice and beans. If you'd prefer to save your BCAA budget and put it toward actual food instead, or if you have access to a carbohydrate source like a fruit or possibly a sports drink that you can use for intra-workout energy during long and intense training bouts. So you may notice that I have a couple of BCAA products here behind me, so you may be wondering if I like to use them myself. And the answer is currently no, I do not. While I have experimented with them in the past, based off of my continuing education on the subject, I've determined that a BCAA supplement is really not something that is going to be a game changer for me personally in my situation. So I would rather just save the money and put it toward real food. Finally, I've compiled a list of key points to think about when determining whether or not it will be appropriate for you as an individual to supplement with BCAAs. First, always know that the supplement industry is hugely lucrative. They make a lot of money, and a lot of the money that they make is from telling people that they need things that they don't actually need. So be aware of that. Next, BCAA supplements may be useful for special populations, such as vegans or endurance athletes, people who aren't getting a lot of complete proteins in their diet to begin with, or people who just want the extra energy intra-workout. BCAAs on their own are not as effective when it comes to muscle protein synthesis as the full spectrum of essential amino acids. So if you eat a diet that is rich in foods that have complete protein profiles, then you probably don't need BCAAs. So it might be a good idea to save the money and skip them. All right, thank you very much for tuning in today. I hope you learned something valuable for this, and I hope that either you make the wise decision to use BCAAs out of legitimate necessity, or you decide to opt against them because you are getting sufficient BCAAs through the full spectrum of EAAs in your diet. Either way, I hope you liked the video, and if it helped you, leave a thumbs up. If you want to help somebody else, share it with them. Either way, have a good day.